In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to turn off comments for your YouTube video. Go to your YouTube and click on your profile photo and click on view your channel. And from your channel, click on manage videos and it directly jump into YouTube Studio. Under content, here you will find all of your videos. Now just click the video you want to turn off comments for. From the video settings, scroll down and come to these comments and rating section. Here you will find comments. Click on comments and just select here off, then click on save, and you have completely turned off comments for the specific video. Let's play this video in a different tab and we can see the comments is turned off for this video. So that's how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.